She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are tryna score like it's FIFA. She lives a double life, puts on a show, puts under the surface. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Ay, may screen pa rin.
Nani?
Welcome to our birthday party.
Nani? Wala nang tao sa loob, mga boys.
Welcome to our vlog!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Third lang.
There must be something about her features.
Hindi, magpa-picture pa siya.
Once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. See you from around the way. You think you need a time to think. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You been looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. You be scarred for I'm chilling with a bag. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Angel boy, don't say that.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can run my life wrong. Why be faithful when you got hopes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off the perfect face, not to mention the perfect body I like yours. The way you move,
Amazing kami na. May kwento. Ang saya pala nito. Uy, wag ka namang ganyan. Ipakita mo. Ang saya pala ito. Lalapit mo sa mukha ng mga tao. Hey! Rock and roll! Di ba ang saya? Ang saya nito! Balik ko sa'yo. Naiikot ko sa'yo. Sige. Wow! Malungkot.
Much better kesa sa'yo. Sa dam-dam-dam sinabi, madami ba sa kalye? Ulit. Mahaba ba sa kalye? Para sa'yo. Love letter. Para sa'yo. Parang baliw din dalawa.
Hindi sa akin. Try mong kumonek. Dali. Ay, ang ganda nito, Ters. Sama mo to. Ay, ganda ka bang vid? And yours truly. Happy birthday, Nunu. Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Nunu. Ay, ito. Yan yung favorite. Yung katulad kay ano? Kay... Uwi ko to pala. Oo, uwi mo yan.
Thank you.
Ay, may coupons ako, guys. Bye, guys. Ay.